How to create accident report. Go to QHSE and select Accident Report. Click Add New. Select the incident type. Fill the form with the information you have: who the client, injury outcome, project, rig, title of event, and description of the incident. And then click Create. Move to the Injury Detail tab. Click Add Injury Detail button. Choose the injured employee and fill the form with needed information. And then click Add. Go to the Incident Cost tab and fill the form if needed. It's the Investigation Team tab. You have to add employees who are responsible for the accident investigation and then click Save Changes. Go to Analysis tab. First select Incident Type. From Incident Analysis category, you can choose Accident Severity and its type. Click Save Changes button. Move to SCAT Analysis tab. First, choose the type of event and immediate direct causes, then click Add New. Click the plus sign to add basic or root causes. Click Add. In the Corrective Action tab, click the button to add corrective actions. All the form is mandatory to fill. You have to choose the areas for corrective action: employee, target date, action title, what is the action required for the incident, also choose the action if open or close, and finally choose the priority. Click Add. At the end, you can upload an image or document in the Attachment tab and click Save.